Greetings. Here we have a basic level question from percentages topic. The percentage increase in the value of exports of apples of a country is as follows. From 2017 to 2018, there is a 25% increase in the value of exports of apples, and from 2018 to 2019, there is a 20% increase in the value of exports, and from 2019 to 2020, there is a 10% increase. Now the question is, what is the percentage increase in the value of exports of apples of the country from 2017 to 2020? Now see, this comes under a basic level question. Now this question is very simple to solve, and this is a quite common question in almost all competitive examinations. We are seeing these sort of questions. Now the important point to note down here is that, see, whenever you are solving percentage based problems, try to give emphasis on these kind of words: percentage increase, percentage decrease, by what percentage, by what percentage more, or by what percentage less. So these words and the prepositions used in these percentage based problems is also very, very important. So anyways we have three levels of solving in this topic. Not only this topic, almost all topics of aptitude we solve in three stages: stage 1 basic level, stage 2 intermediate level, stage 3 advanced level. So we will give more importance to we'll give more importance to stage 2 and stage 3, because stage 1 anywhere you can get it, but stage 2 and stage 3 are not that familiar to all of us. So I'll devote more time on stage 2 and stage 3. Okay, so let's knuckle down to this question. Now see, what is the percentage increase in the value of exports of apples of the country from 2017 to 2020? Whenever you come across like what is the percentage increase or what is the percentage decrease, then you will have to have this. I have an example like this to understand with a general example. Let's take a general example like this. If the production of rice went up from 100 megaton in 2019 to 135 megaton, mega means 10 power 6, ton means 1000 kilo. Yeah, 1 ton equal to 1000 kilo and 1 quintal equal to 100 kilo. So if the production of rice went up from 100 megaton in 2019 to 135 megaton in 2020, then the percentage increase, this is nothing but increase, okay? Then the percentage increase in rice production from 2019 to 2020 is equal to, the original formula is this: percentage increase equal to actual increase. So percentage increase equal to actual increase over original quantity. So original quantity is what? So with this as reference, or the initial value, actual increase is what? So this is what we will have to take it down. Okay. Similarly, percentage decrease. If someone is asking you like this, what is percentage decrease? So percentage decrease, this is increase. So percentage decrease equal to actual decrease divided by original quantity multiplied by 100. Okay. So on similar lines, now what we do before we do something, let me take my another page. Okay, this is another page. Now what we have is this. Now how do we solve this? Again, you can go through your question. Please don't skim through any question. If you skim through a given question, definitely we will miss some important hint or points in it. Okay, please always please have a keen eye on a question, on a given question. Okay, so the percentage increase in the value of exports of apples of a country, see, from 2017 to 18, 25% increase in the value of exports. Okay, that is this. So from 2017 to 2018, there is how much? 25% increase in the value of exports. So that means the moment you reach 2018, this amount got increased. That means 25%. So therefore, just write like this. I'm working out completely for you, and you can make it simple. Let the value of exports, let me write everything. Let the value of exports in 2017 be. See, in this 2017 be, always whenever you are solving percentage based problems, always take base value as 100 or 100%. Okay, don't start with taking base value as x, y, z, a, b, c like that. You will end up with again confusion. So always whenever you have percentage kind of problems, assume base value as 100 or 100%. Okay, so 100 means anything. Now in this case we will take 100 units. If you are solving salary based problems, you can use rupees 100. Okay, like that anyways. Otherwise 100 units is the best choice everywhere. Okay, now in 2018, now in 2017, let the value of exports be 100 units. If this is the case, in 2018 it will become what? Yeah, so 25% got incremented, right, to this 100 units. So therefore 100 plus 25, simple. So you have 125 units. So after 25% increment in the exports from 100 units, now we have reached 125 units. All right. Now what you have, there is a 20%. You can see step 2. You can see here. I mean, from 2018 to 2019, 20% increase in the value of exports. So now there is, now you can write like this, there is a 20% increase. When I show like double arrows facing upward direction, it means increase. Well, when there is a 20% increase in 2019, yes or not? Because see, from 2018 to 2019, that means the moment we reach here, we can see this 20% increment. That is a 20% increment in 2019. So therefore in 2019, value of exports equal to what now? So value of exports is 125 plus, see, 20% of what? 20% of not 100, please. 20% of 125. This is very, very important. Okay, from 100 we have reached 125. Now from 125 we are going to reach elsewhere or to this point. Okay, so this is equal to what now? So this is equal to, you take this one, 125 plus 20%. 20% means 20 by 100. Of means take multiplication here, 20% of 125. So what is this? You can cancel it out. So 20 5s and this is 525s. So 125 plus 25, so you have 150 units. Okay, so 125 units in 2018. Now it has become 150 units in 2019. Okay, now last one is what? Now last one Now last one is this. Uh, During this year or from 2019 to 2020, there is 10% increase in the value of exports of apples. So therefore in 2020, or I write like this, value of exports. So value of exports in 2020 is equal to what here now? Equal to, see, is saying 10% increase, 10% increase, right? So 10% of what? Not again 100, 10% of this recent one, 150. This is very, very, very important, please. So 150, I mean, let me put an arrow, not equal to 150 plus 10% of 10% of 150. This is equal to what? 150 plus 10% of 150 is 15. So the answer is what now? 165 units. So 165 units is the obtained answer. Now could you tell me the overall increment in exports, or the overall increase in exports? Yes. Now what is the overall increase in exports? The overall increase in exports is equal to 165 minus 100, that is 65 units. So you can write like this, hence overall increase, this is overall increase in exports equal to 165 units in 2020. Now you have to subtract 100 units what you have obtained, I mean what we have assumed in 2017. Okay, so 165 minus 100 equal to 65 units. So 65 units starting from, so this quantity got incremented, 65 units starting from where? Starting from 100 units. Yeah, 100 units in 2017 is the starting point, and we have reached to 165 units. So 165 minus 100 equal to 65 units. All right, now finally what is the conclusion here? Now the question is what? Find the percentage increase. This is the question. Let me take. Now, what is the percentage increase in the value of exports of apples of the country from 2017 to 2020, all the way from 2017 down to 2020? Now you are here, yes or not? So now we have to use this one, percentage increase formula. So percentage increase equal to what? Actual increase over original quantity multiplied by 100. So what is actual increase? So actual increase is final value minus initial value. So final value minus initial value is 65 units, and this is what? Actual increase. Okay, so now what is the original quantity? The original quantity is the starting one, that is 100 units. Okay, so therefore percentage increase in the value of exports from 2017 to 2020 is equal to what? Actual increase, that is 65 units, divided by the original quantity, that is 100 units, multiplied by 100. So you will get 65 percentage. Okay, so 65 percentage is the actual, I mean is otherwise is the percentage increase in the value of exports of apples of a country from 2017 to 2020 as per the given data. Okay, so that's it for today. So please do subscribe our channel. You will have many interesting and many good questions as well. And this is for sure. The thing is that this this stuff, whatever stuff I'm going to provide, this stuff is enough to crack any examination. Okay, so I'm segregating the given data, I'm segregating the data as per the requirements of various competitive examinations. Okay, that's it. So bye.